I don't know why polar bear gonna return it.
Because it's not good.
It's not good, guys, because
That's you who complain.
it's not good because you should explain why.
It's ticking.
Yeah, guys, if we
Like
use
a bomb.
Good morning. Today is March 27 it's my day off today, and guys, look at the weather outside. It feels so warm, and it feels so good, guys. Like finally, after how many months of constant snowing, cold, and finally, guys, it's not that warm, but enough to go out without feeling so cold like that. So maybe it is 10 degrees Celsius outside or 12. So look at that, guys. It doesn't show so much in the camera, but it's really blue in the sky, and the sun is really shining so much. So today, guys, what I'm gonna do is I will gonna paint this. I guess once more I'm gonna paint this one. It was the color of this part here. It was green, like this here, and now I will gonna painting it with white. I painted it white last night, and hubby did the painting last night. So now I will gonna finish this one, so we're done here. Because you know what, guys, I feel so stressed every time I see unfinished stuffs in the house. It's still a lot of things to do here, and I feel so I really feel so stressed with this unfinished stuffs. And here, guys, we're not yet done fixing the TV, so it's still in the, look at that, it's still in the floor. So we will look something good listening, or good what is listening in English? You know what, guys, I'm really so bad in English, and I can't find any words that is the same as Norwegian, because now I'm learning Norwegian too, so my English is getting really bad. Listening, or new listening, or I can't find English words. So we will find a good setup for the TV, because we're thinking that we were gonna put it in the wall, but we still need to find a perfect TV cabinet, or it's called TV bank in Norwegian. Yeah, and I'm not so sure, guys. I don't really have an idea. I don't have idea now what we're gonna do this. We were gonna do with this. So we will see, guys, in the next few months. And yeah, we will. There's my stuffs. Here is the brush, and the lights, and that one, the pot here. So I'm not so sure, guys, if you like that color, but this color here is called Soft Teal from Lutuan, and this is really good in actual. It feels so fresh in the mind, if you can see it, and it changed, guys, whatever lights that's coming through. It feels so dark when it's dark out inside, and it feels so light like this with there's a natural lights coming in, and it looks different also when it's electricity light. So it differs on the light that is coming through inside the house. So guys, let's start because I still have a lot of things to do. I still need to edit. I still need to clean the kitchen, and yeah, the plumber was here earlier, and he fixed the or he fixed the pipe in in the sink and in the dishwasher, so I hope it doesn't drip anymore. And yeah, let's get started, guys, because I'm so late already with this. We cover it, guys, so it doesn't get so dry. Hi guys! Can you say hi, Polar Bear? Where are we going, my love?
Going to Elshop.
We're going to L shop, guys.
Change this.
We're gonna return again. First it was the washing machine, and then next is the ventilator, and next is the stove. Is it stove? Called
Flat
stove. Flat it up in English, nah, in Norwegian, and it's stove in English, I guess. Is it stove? Hot plate?
Hot plate.
Yeah, hot plate. We're gonna return it again, guys. I don't know. I don't know why Polar Bear gonna return it.
Because it's not good.
It's not good, guys, because
It's you who complain.
it's not good because you should explain why.
It's ticking.
Yeah, guys, if we
Like a
use
bomb.
if we use a 3 burner, it's switching, like you can really hear the sound, and it is so annoying. It seems like it's gonna explode soon. Is it?
Yeah.
What we gonna do? We're gonna put
You're
it.
gonna open the door.
Oh yeah. Gonna open the door. The door. Ay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Why is like this?
My wife should be blonde. Can I get in?
Oh yeah, I can get in.
Yeah, you can get in.
Ay. Oh my god. It is so messy here, guys. Oh my god.
And that's all. No, not like that. Come here. Where do you want it? On the floor?
Yeah, we should put it there. That plastic there.
Well, it's not good to have that glass there, maybe.
I know.
It should be on your shoes.
Like that.
Yeah, wait. Put it. Move forward the shoes there.
Oh, this is so heavy.
Well, it's okay. Wait, you need to find it. Where it is. Hold it the whole way. If it's okay.
It's like that, guys. Putting it like that. There is a burner. Oh, it's quite heavy. It's 10 kilos. We're going to L shop. Is it Oslo? In the center? Ah, in Sandvika? It's just in Sandvika?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. It's okay. It's just 5 minutes. 10 minutes, guys. And we're gonna go there, and we're gonna hold now the oven. Come in. But it says variot levering. It says here variot levering.
Som är gärna på någon eller?
Nej, den är ju lite dålig effekt på den. Så fort man startar 3 zoner på den så börjar den ju klicka och fördela strömmen liksom, så den är ju helt obruklig.
Guys, it's so nice. So big. It's Jamie Oliver. And it's 6,495. It's really nice, guys. But it's expensive. 6,485 or mga kano ba? 36,000. So we're here now, guys. They don't have the store, but they have where you can pick up stuffs and where you can return stuffs. So we bought it online and we were gonna return it here in the store. And they have also stuffs that we can change. I hope they have stuffs in it, the one that we want. TV. They have TV. Kraviema DeHlin family. We have here, guys, they have here that you can get it for 50 days and you can try it and then you can return it if you don't want. But this one here, if you like it, then you can return it and then you get another one, or you can have the TV.
Just like we have here now.
Okay.
You can return it, but you buy it, of course.
Oh, okay. I have so big TV, guys. Look at that. I guess it's almost 2 meters. So that would be how many inches? It's really big, guys. Hubby is still in uniform from work. We got it, guys! Where are you gonna put it?
There.
In me again?
Yeah, you're gonna hold it. But you don't need it on your feet this time.
Should I go first?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a little bit better. So we got it, guys. We got a new one, and what is it? It's the one that we get now is a little bit expensive than the one that we had, but it's much better, guys.
I see the light inside your eyes. You make me feel like